Welcome, everybody, to the Coaching Network. My name is Maria Medina. I am your business and networking coach, and I'm here to invite you to my upcoming workshop with a guest speaker. We're going to be talking all about how to be profitable by design in 2026 and many years to come. There are two ways that you can really make your business profitable. One way is by increasing the sales so that you sell more. You don't have to worry too much about the costs, although you should still be looking at your costs. And the other way is to lower the costs of what you're spending every single month, every single year in your business to run it more successfully and really analyze when costs increase, if it's worth it, if it's justifiable, and what that looks for your industry, which is why I have my guest coming on to help us with that. So, Deb, welcome. Tell us a little bit about what you're going to be talking in this workshop.
Thank you, Maria. So nice to meet everyone. Bijlani. I'm the head of our growth function here in the US at Visory, which is a financial services firm for professional services businesses. At its core, as Maria said, majority of service-based businesses I come across want to increase their revenue or decrease costs in some capacity, and obviously do it in a sustainable manner. The issue stems from regular accounting systems and individuals not really being set up to show them where those opportunities lie and what they need to do next. So, in our time together, we'll be covering what are the key financial metrics that the best service based businesses are tracking, what good looks like in that field, and then how to calculate them for your business. And then finally, what are the levers that you guys can explore to improve them and at its core, run a more profitable and cash flowing business.
So, if your business could benefit from being more profitable in 2026, whether that is by increasing sales or reducing costs, I invite you to join us for this free virtual workshop on Wednesday, January 28th from 9 to 10 a.m. Pacific, 12 to 1 Eastern. Make sure that you check out the landing page to see what you're going to get out of this workshop. Pre register, it will be live, there will be no recording, so make the time to attend so that you can make your business profitable in 2026. I look forward to seeing you there.